Hey, what's up? Brent for Brent Speed, another episode on Brent Speed TV today. Check it out, 19 GT. It's an automatic. We installed the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger. We are going to watch a dyno pull. I do have Doug with me. We are going to go take a closer look. But check out the CDC light bar. I think that's awesome. My 19 as well as a convertible. I don't have that, and every time we install one of those, I'm like, I want one. I should get one. But Doug, let's go check out the engine compartment. All right, we just installed a few mods on this car this week. Doug, come down, take a look. Okay, the big mod, of course, the Roush Phase 2 Supercharger, flywheel rated 750 flywheel horsepower. Of course, it's an intercool kit, and I know every time I show one of these, I always like, I love the air induction system because I like the clear lens. This client opted for the coil covers. Again, these are not included in the Roush kit, but we do stock those, so I'll put a link in the description that you can click on and see what those cost. One more mod, Doug, come over and take a look. The UPR oil separators, driver and passenger. We have the driver over here. Passenger, very difficult to see. It's over here, but this is a plug and play kit, and it's my all-time favorite kit for a Roush Supercharged 18 Plus Mustang because it is plug and play. It's driver and passenger. It looks good, and it's pretty easy to install. Check out this dyno pull. Hey, and don't forget, a couple things. We keep the Roush Phase 2 Superchargers in stock. You can ship it right to your door, right off our website, or you can email quote@brentspeed.com and say, what's it cost to get installed? And I do have another question. If you have a convertible, what do you think about the light bar? Should I get one or no? Leave a comment. I'd like to know. DynoJet SAE 657, real horsepower, 6,800 RPM. Torque comes in at 537, 6,200, and this car was blowing the tires off on the dyno. So check this out. Doug, look at this crazy looking graph. When a car does this and spins on the dyno, we lay into it really slow. That's why the graph looks like this. And then we're wide open by 5,000, and that's why you're actually getting your wide open throttle horsepower right there. But anytime you see a graph like this, it's typically a couple things. Well, normally you're getting into the gas slow because it's trying to prevent the spinning. That's kind of a thing on like bigger horsepower cars. But a lot of the Roush, because the low end's so quick, it does it, especially on the stock tires. So slipping clutch can look weird like that too. But hey, I'm Brent. Leave a question if you have any comments. No problem, leave it. I'll answer. Email quote@brentspeed.com. What's it cost to get installed? And check that description. I'll put links and check all the prices. Thanks for watching.